Alright, welcome back to my channel. My middle name is Ray. So today we're gonna be doing a Lexus ES 300. We're gonna be doing the timing belt. As you guys can see, the motor, it's off the car. I have it here. That was for a whole other reason. I took the motor off. I'm replacing the tranny, but since I got it out the car, I just thought like maybe I should make a video about timing belt since it's easier here. I will show you the steps how to do how to properly do the timing belt. But before that, I want to jump into the crankshaft pulley. Before we remove the timing belt cover and all that, you gotta remove the crankshaft pulley. And I want to talk about this. A lot of the times, especially in older cars, this bolt over here gets like stuck here, so it's really hard to come out. Of course, one of the tricks that I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know, it's like we can use like PB blaster. We can use something like this to penetrate it to the rust and threads, and eventually it will make it loose. So before you attempt to take the crankshaft pulley out, spray some PB blaster. I already did, just to make the video shorter. So I already sprayed that over here, and a lot of the times this bolt won't come out easy. Sometimes it will take you like 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes because they got stuck like really well. And I highly recommend, when you get to this, use air impact to remove the bolt. You can use a ratchet, long ratchet like this, but this it won't help very much. It's just kind of hard because when it's inside the car, when the motor is inside the car and you're trying to remove this, it's just like there's no space, right? And even here outside, even if I try to remove this with the ratchet, the crankshaft will do is just a spin. I will keep spinning, and I will have to put a screwdriver maybe over here by the flywheel or something to lock this in place. But still, it just takes time. So I always like to use, if you have access to use an impact, it's better. So let's give it a try, see if it comes out. Oh, and one more thing. And after you apply the PB blaster and let it sit for like 10-15 minutes, and then you do with the air impact, and still doesn't come out, what you want to use is just, you get a torch this at your local auto parts store, and maybe get a torch like this. And what you want to do is basically apply heat to the bolt, just like that, and then you put it here and then right in the bolt, and this will make the bolt get loose, and it will come easier, it will come faster, it will come out. So you apply here maybe for like 10-15 minutes, let it heat up like that. And then after that, use your impact, and it should come out. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so I like this. This is a perfect example. This is not coming out, as you guys can see. The bolt, it's stuck, so I'm gonna give it another shot, right? Okay. Yep, it's not coming out. It's not coming out for less. So now we're gonna apply some heat over here. Like I said before, we're gonna use the torch, and it should come out. Let's just give it a little bit of time, like I say, 10-15 minutes. Okay, so now that I let the torch heat up the bolt for like 10-15 minutes, this will break it loose and the bolt should come out. So let's just okay, so as you guys can see, taking the crankshaft pulley and in older cars, it takes a little bit of time. So to make the video short, I just went and did it for like 15 minutes with the torch. So like I say, before you use the torch, spray with PB blaster, let it soak for like 10-15 minutes, and after that give it a try with the impact, and doesn't come out really easy. So you have to apply heat to the bolt to break it loose. Once you apply heat for like 10-15 minutes, it should come out really easy. If you don't do this step, it might take you like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. I will take you to take this out. It's not easy, so don't be afraid if you're doing a timing belt or replacing anything and you have to remove the crankshaft pulley. Have in mind that if you have an older car, it's gonna take a little bit of while, so eventually will come out, but you gotta use this these tools over here. I know there's other tools they sell at the auto part, and then you can get, but this is something that will make you that you can get the stuff done. Okay, so now I already removed the bolts, so now we're gonna remove the timing belt cover. This come off. Gonna be taking this section out. Okay, there it is. That's your timing belt. Let me put the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see better.